In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn on/off virtual reality on Google Chrome browser app. To begin, open the Google Chrome browser app on your device. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top right corner of the browser window. You should see an icon with 3 dots arranged vertically. This is the main Chrome menu. Click on those 3 dots to open the menu. After clicking Settings, Chrome will open the Settings page. On the left side of the page, you should see a menu with different categories. Look for Privacy and Security, then click on it. In the Privacy and Security section, find and select Site Settings. On the Site Settings page, scroll down until you find the section called Additional Permissions. Click on Additional Permissions to expand it. Once it expands, more permission options will appear underneath. Now look for the option labeled Virtual Reality and click on it. To turn virtual reality access on, select Sites can ask to use virtual reality devices and data. To turn virtual reality access off, select Do Not Allow Sites to Use Virtual Reality Devices and Data. Once you choose the option you want, Chrome saves the change automatically. You do not need to press a separate Save button. That covers everything you need to know.